application, let's look at application, because I want you to also understand how the color system will work in your design and how you can avoid ambiguity. So colors on UIs, if you see Slack, it's like this color actually communicates its personality. So if you look at your eyes, which is 80% closed, you'll still be able to recognize that it is Slack and nothing else. And if you want to judge a design from a visual design perspective for their personality and their feeling of it, you can always try closing your eyes 70%, and then you can see. If you are able to get the same feeling, the person has done awesome visual design. Otherwise, no. And that is how you see Dropbox, that is there, MailChimp. But it is composition of colors and also other things.